back to GreyWolf Towers. My name's Brian. So I've got a little bit of a stack here, 3 different items that I'm going to be doing, so you'll see it diminish over the course of this session. However, I'm going to be doing separate videos, which may be posted, weeks apart or even months apart, and have videos between them if I need to. So let's go ahead and start with the first one of today. This is like a $8 item on Amazon. I'll try and post both the link down below for you guys to buy from, but I'll also try and post the price down here before tax. It was something like $5.99, $6.99, $7.99, something like that. It was not very expensive. This is a all aluminum GPU support bracket. Now, some of you have them, some of you don't. Some of you have sagging GPUs that need one of these. So I figured I'd show you what this one is. This is the JoyJom, J-O-Y-J-O-M. Now, with the price I'm posting, that's what I paid. It was before tariffs of 2025, so prices may increase because of things that are outside of my control. I'm just telling you what I paid for it when I bought it, so keep that in mind. So let's take a peek and see what we get. So for under $10, these are an amazing item to get. I've not used this specific one, but it looks pretty cool, and it looks like it actually includes a really cool tool, so I'll go over that. So inside here you've got 2 items. So you've got the bracket itself, which you basically just unscrew or screw to raise and lower, and all it does is it sits on the case, basement, and holds the GPU so that the GPU doesn't sag. You put this towards the end that is not where the input output is, so towards the front of the case, towards where I don't even know what to describe it as. Nowadays, because of the way things have changed, on the opposite side from where you plug the monitor in is where this would go. So this is just a very simple screw. It does not feel like it has hydraulics, so it should stay pretty steady unless you manage to somehow end up stripping the pieces. It does also have a little piece, so what you can do is you can actually do this, and it separates a little bit. I'm not sure why you would want to, because it doesn't seem to actually impact anything. So it still screws in and out with that up or down. That's a little bit rougher maybe to do. So, but again, just a simple bracket. It does have a padding on both ends so that it keeps it from scratching your stuff. It just sits, the GPU sits on top, and it just stops it from doing it. You've got roughly a 2 to 2.5 inch base size. It's going to be somewhere in the neighborhood of, I don't know, 4 to 6 centimeters, something like that. I'm not great at conversion without a conversion calculator, so it's a wide range because I can't tell you specifically. It's roughly 2 centimeters to an inch, maybe 2.5 centimeters to an inch, but I'm going to say it's 2 to 2.5 inches, and then you can use Google to convert that to centimeters. And then the other piece is a tool. So you can actually set this, and it will... So this is actually a level table. That's almost dead center. I mean, it's maybe a millimeter or 2 off center, but it's not enough to be off level by enough to be of any kind of worry. So I'm kind of surprised that my living room floor is that level. This table is level, so that's nice. Alright, so basically for the $6 to $10, give or take, and again, I'll post the price below, but the price may change due to tariffs in 2025 and beyond, so the price may change. But getting a little level is kind of cool. It's an item that is neat to me just to have. I may even throw it into something and have that go on. It gives you the bracket, and you get the styrofoam to hold it steady so it doesn't jostle around in the box. And it just goes into its neat little box. And that's it. So, and that is the JoyJom all aluminum GPU support bracket. I will try and link it down below. For less than 10 bucks, it's definitely worth a purchase if you have a GPU and no bracket for it. So keep that in mind. So I do hope that this video helped you to decide if the JoyJom bracket is a good option for you or not. If you liked this video, make sure you hit the like button down below. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button in this general area here to keep up to date on our new videos and our support and our community section. And then, as always, if you have any questions about myself, the products, or the channel, leave those in the comment section down below. So thank you all for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye for now.